My name is Sarah and I'm one of the graduate partners working on the EMA programme. A new screen is now available on the RISIS portal that provides you access to an online summary of all your summative assessment marks. Until now, students have only been given an overall mark for a module on RISIS at the end of each academic year. You will now be able to see the breakdown of how this overall mark was achieved, including marks for essays, presentations, tests and quizzes, and exams over the course of your degree. I'll be demonstrating from a mock account how you can access the new submodular mark screen. Begin by logging into the RISIS portal using your student username, your password, and then entering your security word. Click onto Information, Programme and Modules, and then onto Module Marks and Submodular Assessment. By scrolling down, you can then view all marks for the current academic year and previous years by clicking on the year that you wish to view. Each module that you are enrolled on will be displayed and will show you how many credits it's worth, and when all the assessment is complete, the overall module mark and the grade. The results column will either display a P indicating you have passed the module or an F to indicate that the module has been failed. It may also display a D to indicate that the mark has been deferred. For years prior to 2017 to 18, you will only be able to see the overall module mark. You can expand details of individual modules by clicking on to Show All. You can then view all individual assignments, weightings, marks and grades that are used to calculate your overall module mark and grade. Marks that are currently not available will display a small blue clock symbol underneath the result column. This will change when all the marks have been entered by the programme administrators. You may also be able to see a small paper symbol underneath the notes section. This means a note has been added to your grade to communicate something about the mark to you. By clicking onto the symbol, you can then read the added note. It could possibly be a note to communicate that your mark has been modified due to a late submission or as the result of an extenuating circumstance request. To provide you with a better understanding of all symbols, a key table has been added below to translate each symbol for you. Below this, a table has been included to list all possible grades you might receive alongside your mark and the description of what each grade means. For example, if you see an X grade in your table, this means that an extenuating circumstance submitted by you is being considered and the decision is not yet known. To find out more information about the new student mark screen, click onto this link to view the new Essentials website. If you have a specific question, Isley, Henley Business School and ICMA students can go to their school office for support. Other students can click on the blue Ask a Question button to submit their query to the relevant staff member on the help desk.